Hey there, busy professionals and savvy shoppers. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to save both time and money feels like discovering hidden treasure. Grocery shopping, a weekly necessity, often eats up precious hours and can surprisingly strain your budget. But what if I told you there's a smarter way to manage your groceries? We're talking about leveraging the power of online delivery and pickup services. It's not just about convenience, it's about strategic spending and reclaimed time. This segment is dedicated to transforming your grocery routine. Get ready to unlock expert tips that will help you slash costs, streamline your shopping, and ultimately make your life a little easier. Let's dive into making your grocery runs smarter. For many of us, the idea of skipping crowded aisles and long checkout lines is incredibly appealing. Grocery delivery and pickup services have exploded in popularity, offering a fantastic solution for packed schedules. They offer unparalleled convenience right to your doorstep or car. However, without a strategy, these services can sometimes lead to unexpected expenses. Delivery fees, service charges, and the temptation of impulse buys can quickly add up. Our goal is to ensure you benefit from the convenience without breaking the bank. We'll show you how to navigate these platforms like a pro. You can truly maximize savings while still enjoying the precious time you gain back. It's all about informed choices. First, let's talk dollars and cents. Comparing prices across different platforms and even local store websites is crucial. A few minutes of research can reveal significant price differences on your staple items. Always look for digital coupons and special promotions directly within the app or website you're using. Many services offer exclusive discounts for online orders or first-time users. Don't leave free money on the table. Combat impulse purchases by sticking to a well-planned list. Online shopping makes it easy to review your cart before checkout, helping you remove unnecessary items. This discipline is a real money saver. Consider signing up for a retailer's loyalty program. These often provide personalized discounts, free delivery after a certain spend, or cashback rewards. Every little bit helps contribute to your overall savings. Opt for store brand alternatives whenever possible. Often, these products offer comparable quality to their name brand counterparts, but at a much lower price point. Your taste buds might not notice the difference, but your wallet certainly will. Understand the fee structure. Delivery fees, service fees, and driver tips can impact your total. Sometimes a monthly or annual subscription can waive delivery fees if you order frequently. Check for minimum order requirements. If your order falls short, you might pay an extra fee or miss out on free delivery. Plan your purchases to meet these thresholds efficiently. Finally, strategic timing can sometimes save you money. Some services offer discounts for ordering during off-peak hours or for scheduling pickup days in advance. Be flexible if you can. Now, let's reclaim some of your valuable time. Create a master grocery list of frequently purchased items. This list serves as a quick template for future orders, drastically cutting down browsing time. Utilize the reorder or previous orders feature on grocery apps. This allows you to quickly add items from a past successful shop. It's a huge time saver for repetitive weekly purchases. Schedule your orders in advance. If you know you'll need groceries by a certain day, place your order a few days beforehand. This guarantees your desired delivery slot and frees up your mind. For those using pickup services, designate a specific pickup day each week. Integrating this into your routine makes it a consistent and effortless errand. It becomes just another part of your organized schedule. Consider placing larger, less frequent orders for non-perishables. Stocking up on staples like paper towels, cleaning supplies, and canned goods means fewer small orders and less hassle over time. This approach keeps your pantry full. Streamline your virtual cart. Organize your online list by store aisle if you're familiar with the physical layout, even for pickup. This mental organization helps you quickly verify items. Batch your errands. If you're doing a pickup, try to combine it with other tasks in the same general area. Efficiency is key to maximizing your precious minutes. Combining these money-saving and time-saving strategies is where the magic happens. By being deliberate and proactive, you turn a chore into a highly efficient process. This strategic approach enhances both your budget and your schedule. Remember, the goal isn't just to use grocery delivery, but to use it wisely. Every smart choice you make adds up. giving you more control over your finances and your free time. You deserve to work smarter, not harder, in every aspect of your life. There you have it, your expert guide to smarter grocery delivery and pickup. By comparing prices, leveraging discounts, planning your purchases, and optimizing your ordering process, you're well on your way. You're set to save significant money and precious time. So, go ahead, give these tips a try. Reclaim your evenings, reduce your stress, and enjoy the satisfaction of being a truly savvy shopper. Happy shopping, and here's to more time and more savings.